What if I told you that a massive water reservoir have been discovered in space that could fill Earth's ocean 140 trillion times? Yes, you have heard that right. An unimaginable amount of water found in the farthest reaches of the universe, surrounding a quasar over 12 billion light years away. Watch till the end because we are going to unveil the story behind this record breaking discovery and what it tells us about the birth of galaxies, stars, and perhaps even life itself. Water is essential for life as we know it, but it's not just confined to Earth or even solar system. In 2024, astronomers revisited a groundbreaking discovery first made in 2011, APM 08279 plus 5255, a quasar that holds the largest and most distant reservoir of water ever detected. This discovery challenges our understanding of the universe and reveals how water existed in vast quantities in the early stages of cosmic history. Let's dive into the science, the implications, and what it means for our quest to understand the cosmos. Now, what is APM 08279 plus 5255? This is no ordinary object, it's a quasar, one of the most energetic and luminous objects in the universe, powered by a supermassive black hole at its core, located in a constellation Lynx, about 12 billion light years away. This quasar is so far that the light we see from it today actually left when the universe was only about 1.8 billion years old, giving us a glimpse into a very early stages of cosmic evolution. This makes it one of the most ancient and distant objects we can observe. At its center, the supermassive black hole of APM 08279 plus 5255 is consuming matter at an incredibly high rate. As it does, it releases an enormous amount of energy in the form of radiation, which can outshine the entire galaxy surrounding it. This process is known as accretion. As a black hole pulls in matter, it forms a swirling disk around it, where temperatures soar and radiation bursts forth, making quasars the brightest objects in the universe. But what really sets this quasar apart is the vast cloud of water vapor that envelops it, making it the most distant and largest water reservoir ever found in the universe. This discovery offers new insights into the conditions of the early universe, providing evidence that water may have been more widespread and abundant than we ever imagined. The water cloud surrounding it contains an estimated 140 trillion times the amount of water found in all Earth's ocean combined. This staggering quantity of water found not in liquid form but as vapor. This cloud of water vapors exists in a delicate balance. The intense energy from the quasar and the black hole keeps the water vapor form, preventing it from condensing into liquid, despite the frigid temperatures of space. The surrounding environment is an unusual blend of extreme heat from the quasar and freezing cold that results in the strange cosmic phenomena. On the surface, it might seem counterintuitive that water exists in this form, but the interplay between radiation and the matter in these extreme conditions create a unique state for the water molecules. Temperatures in this region hover around -53 degrees Celsius, but the radiation from the quasar helps keep the water in vapor form, maintaining a constant state of suspended gas under these extreme conditions. It's a fine balance of cosmic forces at play, and it challenges our understanding of how water can exist in such an alien state so far from Earth. Now, what is the most important question? How was this water discovered? You might be wondering, how could we detect water so far, especially when it's hidden within the glare of a distant quasar? This wasn't an easy task, but thanks to modern astronomy and advanced technology, scientists were able to peer through the cosmic haze and uncover this extraordinary discovery. So here are some few techniques scientists use to uncover this extraordinary discovery. First one is spectroscopy. One of the most powerful tools astronomers used was spectroscopy. Spectroscopy involves breaking down light into its component wavelengths to identify the chemical fingerprints of elements and molecules. When light from the quasars passed through the water vapors cloud, the water molecules absorbed specific wavelengths of light. creating absorption lines in the spectrum that told scientists exactly what was present in the quasar's surroundings. This technique is like reading the universe's molecular barcode, providing scientists with a detailed map of the objects within a distant quasar. Next, radio astronomy. In addition to optical telescopes, radio astronomy played a crucial role in this discovery. Radio telescopes like Plateau de Bourret Interferometer in France and NASA's Herschel Space Observatory picked up faint radio waves emitted by water molecules. These faint signals help create a more precise map of water clouds' location, composition, and quantity. Water vapor, like many other molecules, emits radio waves that are easier to detect than optical signals, allowing astronomers to study distant objects more effectively. Now, the gravitational lensing. Because APM 08279 plus 5255 is so far away, its light gets bent and magnified by the gravitational pull of objects between it and Earth. This phenomenon is called gravitational lensing, allows us to study distant objects in greater detail. The immense gravity from a galaxy cluster in front of a quasar acts as a cosmic magnifying glass, bending light and allowing scientists to observe distant features that would otherwise be too faint to detect. This magnification is an incredible gift as it allows us to glimpse objects and phenomena that occurred billions of years ago. These advanced techniques combine to create a clearer picture of this distant water cloud, showing us how water can exist in such vast quantities so far away. It's like using a cosmic microscope to peer back in time to the very early universe. Now, why is this discovery so important? This discovery isn't just another cosmic oddity, it's a crucial clue in our understanding of the early universe and the origin of water. Let's break down why the discovery matters so much. The early universe chemistry. The fact that this water reservoir existed less than 2 billion years after the Big Bang is extraordinary. It proves that water was already abundant in early cosmos, challenging previous models of how elements like oxygen and hydrogen formed. These elements are the building blocks of water, and their early existence in the universe suggests that the necessary ingredients for life might have been widespread much earlier than we thought. It hints that universe could have had the building blocks for life from the very beginning. Now, fuel for star formation. This water cloud is not just a passive feature of the quasar, it plays an active role in star formation. Along with other molecules like carbon monoxide, the water vapor in this region is likely acting as a fuel source, contributing to the process of a new star being born. As the water vapor interacts with other gases, it helps cool the region, allowing gravity to pull matter together and form new stars. In other words, water might be the part of a machinery that drives the star formation, turning them cold and then diffuse gas clouds into vibrant shining stars. The quasar's supermassive black hole is central to understanding how galaxies and their environments evolve. The radiation from the black hole heats the water cloud, creating a unique environment where water remains in vapor form despite the extreme cold of space. This interaction between the black hole's energy and the surrounding material is helping scientists understand the intricate relationship between black holes, galaxies, and star formation. The black hole's influence on its environment shows how these cosmic giants can shape the regions around them, from the formation of stars to the distribution of water and other essential elements. The presence of water in such a distant and early part of the universe also opens up the possibility that water and perhaps life could be more common than we thought. If water existed so early in the universe, perhaps it could exist elsewhere in places far beyond our reach. Now let's compare this with other water discoveries. Let's take a moment to put this discovery in perspective and compare it with other water sources in the universe. Let's start with our solar system. In our solar system, moons like Europa and Enceladus have subsurface oceans hidden beneath icy crusts. These oceans are much smaller in comparison to the vast clouds surrounding APM 08279 plus 5255, but they remain of great interest in search of life beyond Earth. The oceans beneath Europa's icy surface, for example, could harbor the condition necessary for life. In fact, upcoming missions like NASA's Europa Clipper aim to explore these subsurface oceans more closely. Now let's move to exoplanets. On exoplanets, scientists have detected water in their atmospheres, such as on the exoplanet K2-18b. These discoveries have raised hopes that some exoplanets might have the condition necessary for life to flourish. However, these findings are still relatively limited compared to gargantuan scale of the water cloud in APM 08279 plus 5255. The exoplanets we have studied so far have water in trace amounts, whereas the Quasar's cloud represents a massive and uncharted reservoir. And finally, the other cosmic reservoirs. This Quasar's water cloud is 4,000 times larger than the previous largest water reservoir discovered in a star-forming region of our galaxy, further emphasizing how unique and vast the universe's water sources can be. Such discoveries shows us the universe is full of surprises. Water might be more common than we ever imagined. Now let's talk about the role of scientists and technology. Behind every great discovery are brilliant minds and the tools that make these revelations possible. Let's take a closer look at the key figures and technologies that made this discovery possible. Dr. Mate Prefford, an astrophysicist at NASA, led the team that first identified the water cloud. His team worked tirelessly with advanced spectroscopic methods to unlock the secrets of a distant quasars. Dr. Edith Flagrant, another key contributor, refined these techniques, while the engineers behind the Herschel Space Observatory played a pivotal role in making this discovery possible. The Plateau de Bourret Interferometer, a network of 6 radio telescopes in the French Alps, helped map the water vapor, measuring its mass and distribution with stunning precision. These cutting-edge tools and the collaboration of international experts are what made this extraordinary discovery a reality. It's a reminder that when it comes to space science, progress happens when scientists from around the world work together using the most advanced technologies available. So now what's next? The discovery of water around APM 08279 plus 5255 is just the beginning. Here's what's next for astronomers and space exploration. Can we detect more? Astronomers are now actively searching for these similar water reservoirs around other quasars to see if this phenomena is more common in the universe. With more discoveries, we'll have the clearer picture of how water is distributed across the cosmos. The discovery of this cloud is like opening a new chapter in our understanding of the universe's chemical composition. Life building blocks. While the extreme conditions near the quasar make it unlikely that life could form in this water cloud, the sheer abundance of water in these distant regions raises fascinating questions about the potential for life elsewhere in the universe. Could similar reservoirs exist around other objects where life could thrive? Now this discovery can help us in future missions. Upcoming telescopes like James Webb Space Telescope and the Square Kilometre Array are set to revolutionize our ability to study distant objects and molecules. These missions will allow us to map out water and other molecules in unprecedented details, providing more clues about the role water plays in shaping the universe and the condition necessary for life. The future of space exploration is incredibly exciting, and we are only scratching the surface. The discovery of a massive water reservoir around APM 08279 plus 5255 is a testament to the vastness and complexity of the universe. It not only reshapes our understanding of cosmic evolution but also opens new doors in search of life beyond Earth. If you are amazed by this discovery as we are, make sure to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more deep dives into space science, and let us know in the comments what do you think this discovery means for the search of life in the universe.